What's up, guys? One more time, because I made already a review for this tattoo machine, but I had some problems with the sound, with my mic. My mic is died during shooting, so I decided made one more review for this tattoo machine after more than months of work, and I think it will be more clear review. It's Ai-tenitas Bounty Hunter. Really good, really nice tattoo machine. I love how it looks, how it feels in the hand. Amazing assembling, amazing work experience. One more time, Ai-tenitas Bounty Hunter. It's youngest brother of one of my favorite Prophet, Ai Tenitas. What's the difference? Here we have one mode only. Here we have two modes of work, hard and soft. It's good for portrait, it's very soft shading. This normal mode, only and normal, and here this hard, it's the same. And Prophet some more expensive because of, more electrics in this machine, more brain. It's more simple, more basic, I think. So it's the same great stuff. They look different. It's the question of taste. I think for me, this one more comfortable. I think some bigger grip, more traditional shape, no screen on the top, and it's amazing. I think it's the best screen on the market if we speak about quality. It looks nice, it looks bright, it's readable, and ambition lights, of course, that you can change in application by your iPad or iPhone or any phone, But be honest, during the work I see this display. I have no reason to watch it. During the work 1 or 2 times I watch on the display, just check the battery and set the voltage. That's all. I'm working always on the same voltage, usually. Very interesting feature. It's not new one. Cheyenne, for example, made it few years ago, but we can change the voltage by changing the angle. Okay, let's set 8 volts. It has some vibration. I can't say it most quiet tattoo machine, but it's very pleasant sound. Your ears will be not tired from this sound. It feels really good, really comfortable in the hand. In general, I have no issues for this tattoo machine. Maybe one thing, grip is not clickable. I love clickable, but I can live with it. Work experience, have no words. It just do what it must to do. Confident, strong punch. If you go down with the voltage, it's perfect for shading, soft shading even. It's 4mm stroke. In my opinion, is the best one for shading and for lining. If someone tell me that 4mm stroke is too long for soft shading, please see my works where I make shades with 4mm, and I have some videos with healed works with 4mm. It heals perfect and very smooth and soft shades. It's about techniques, it's all about your hands, so In general, if you have money, I think you have money because you're a tattoo artist, and if you are a tattoo artist and you have no money for good quality, expensive, even expensive stuff, I think you do something wrong. If you have no many clients or you charge too low price, subscribe my Instagram or YouTube Premium. You will see, you will listen what I tell you about how to manage your tattoo studio, how to manage your work for being more productive, and how I call it high performance. If you think that you need a great talent or must be born with talent, I don't believe in talent. It's all about your goals, it's all about how much you want it, how really you're ready to work hard. Check my subscription, we will speak there about more things about managing your studio, managing your work, how to grow up fast and productive. So what about tattoo machine? In general, I think it's one of 5 my favorite tattoo machines that I work for every day. I made a lot of tests, different tattoo machines, but I have 5 my favorite, and this one of these 5. Very important thing, that is the battery. You can have so many as you want batteries like that, and it costs about $10 maybe for one battery. Charging, you have in the box, you have 2 batteries already in the box. You can buy this sterilization case from Ai Tenitas. Of course, it will be not kill every bacteria and bad things on your tattoo machine, but as one more tool for your safety and your customer, your client's safety, a good option. So, highly recommend this tattoo machine. They made not so many machines, but every machine from Ai Tenitas, it's high level. I think it's highest level of intelligence, of high technology, and it's just really pleasure to hold this in your hand and work with it. Of course, subscribe, like, leave the comments, and tell your friends about my channel. Have a nice day!